Government of India is taking all measures. War is the last option. Till then, Government of India first they have government they declared that the Indus Valley Treaty is already null and void now. It is suspended now. Rest all the Attara the Baga border is closed now. Similarly, all these citizens of Pakistan are asked to leave the country, and in such measures, the banning the exports and imports from Pakistan is also one such measure to pressurize the government of Pakistan to come down and take necessary action, stern action against the terrorists. If they go, it is an economic war. We can say we have already completed the water war, economic war, and we already government of India is already prepared to the political war, making the different world countries to oppose the Pakistan as far as terrorism is concerned. Similarly, yesterday the government of India took the decision to stop the exports and imports directly or indirectly, which impacts the Pakistan economy. And I appeal the people of Pakistan to go to any extent to throw out the present government, which is a supporter of terrorists. In future, they don't elect any person, any party or any government which supports the terrorists directly or indirectly.